Have you ever felt like you are throwing money at online ads with little to show for it? Are you struggling to cut through noise, find your audience, and get real results from your marketing efforts? That's a common problem for countless businesses, big and small and complex. Traditional advertising platforms are getting crowded, expensive, and complex. Many businesses fail to grasp what truly works in today's fast-paced digital world. They launch ads that look like ads, interrupt users, and quickly get scrolled past. They don't understand the unique psychology of platforms like TikTok, leading to wasted ad budgets on ineffective campaigns, low engagement with their content, struggling to find new customers or generate quality leads, and ultimately missed opportunities for explosive growth in a booming market. The purpose of this course is to be your definitive solution to these challenges. We are here to equip you with the precise knowledge and practical skills to turn TikTok into your most powerful advertising channel. You learn how to create ads that don't feel like ads but rather engaging native content that TikTok users love. You learn how to leverage TikTok's unique algorithm to attract highly targeted leads and sales, efficiently and cost-effectively. You learn how to avoid common pitfalls that lead to wasted spend and ad bans. And you learn how to build a scalable, profitable advertising machine that drives vital growth for your business. We are not just teaching you theory, we are giving you a step-by-step blueprint to achieve tangible results. By the end of this course, you won't just understand TikTok ads, you'll master them, turning potential problems into unparalleled opportunities for success.